Hey guys, I'm Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm here with Edyta Sitar, and she's going to tell us all about her brand new fabric collection called Little Sweethearts by Andover, and all the things that she has made just for all of you guys.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. We have so many sweet things coming up with Little Sweetheart. The collection is based on reds, pinks, and lights, and it is just delightful. There's so much to work with, and we have charm packs, layer cakes, fat 8 bundles, fat quarter bundles,
Half yard bundles.
Yes, and one of my personal favorite, the jelly rolls. Oh, they are just delightful. Look at it. You don't want to take it apart, you just want to love it. So you will be so in love with it. Little Sweetheart is a smaller collection, but it provides you with a great shades and variety of beautiful colors. And then we have some threads that go with it. We have the smaller box that I think it's perfect for beginners and somebody that just want to try Aurifil threads. For anyone else that knows Aurifil and loves it already, this is perfect. You have the shades of pinks, but the main core of the box, you have all of the staple colors that go really good with this collection. And notice those colors are right there as your accent and the blend really good with everything. So, and weight 50, perfect for piecing, appliquing, and your usual quilting things that you like to do with it. The small box is 10 spools, the large box is 12 spools in it. So those are exclusive to Fat Quarter Shop, so go visit on their website and purchase them. Also, we have laser cut pieces, silhouettes and snippets. So silhouettes are for fusible applicators, snippets are for hand applicators, and this package includes everything that goes on this quilt that is right behind us. So all your applique blocks and the little leaves for the side, he loves me not flowers. So one package gives you everything that you needed. We have stencils for anybody that falls in love with it and want to make more and more and more, so you can draw your appliques from the stencils as well. Do you have a favorite?
Oh, I like the half yard bundle. That's what I like.
See, they are just wonderful.
And then she's also got acrylic templates that will
Yes.
help you with the patterns in her new book called Sew in Love. So we've got lots of options so that, you know, the quilt may look totally difficult to you, but she's got all these tools to really help you bring this quilt to life in any kind of technique you want.
Yeah.
Whether you want, you know, the fusible applique, or you want to have the seam allowance and the snippet, or you want to do it by hand.
Yeah.
She's got
you
all
use
this
templates,
stuff.
Yeah. Templates, or we also have a foundation paper that
Yes.
goes with the book as well for
And
our.
it makes the little
Yes.
New York beauty,
Yeah.
which is
And-
super helpful.
Yeah, you can see that in one of the videos. It's just wonderful to have it.
And so we've got this brand new book called Sew in Love. It's published by It's So Emma, and obviously the author is Edyta, and it's fabulous. I just wanted to give you like a little thumb through with all the beautiful photography, and it is just beautiful, and we were so honored to be able to publish this book for her.
Oh, thank you so much. It's such a wonderful way to work with you guys, and we provide you with a great value in this book. You're not only getting your 12 blocks for every month, but I want to encourage you to learn new techniques with every block and grow in your quilting skills. And in the back of the book, you find dozens of recipes for large quilt made just with one block. And I had some of my favorites. I have to share this quilt with you. I absolutely love it. So this one, I right away had to do a little crib size. What do you guys think of this? Isn't that adorable?
And so basically what she's done is taken one block from this big quilt, and she's showing you how you can lay it out and make something that looks totally different
So in
with the
case-
same
yeah.
block.
In case you fall in love as you're sewing, you can then repeat it over and over and make dozens of the same block and have a beautiful quilt. And I hope we provide you with everything you possibly can use and need it to do so. And I agree, the half-yard cuts are one of my favorites.
So make sure to pick up your fabric and all of her notions at the Fat Quarter Shop. See you there.